Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Friday, June 26, 2015. And we have a lot of rainfall on the way for the northern mid-Atlantic, especially for tomorrow. Which it looks like it's going to be a bit of a washout type weekend, even on Sunday with the threat for scattered showers. So not exactly the best weekend for outdoor activities. So let's dive right into this forecast. Right now we have winds from the east and the northeast around 5 miles per hour, overcast skies, and a few scattered showers. The steady rainfall has pushed off the coast already, but we're going to be at the threat for scattered showers throughout the day today. Temperatures right now range from the lower to mid 60s, even a few upper 50s mixed in there where we have some low level fog. Over the northern interior, along the coast, mid to upper 60s, and your urban areas, upper 60s to lower 70s, with plenty of moisture in the atmosphere. Temperatures will be rising to pretty much near to slightly below normal levels with an easterly wind in place. Look for more of a marine air mass in place. So look for high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s for this afternoon and evening. Overall, for the most part, we're going to be dealing with a day where we have overcast clouds, cool conditions, and temperatures generally near normal for this time of year. When we take a look at the water vapor satellite picture, lots of interesting features here. And first we're going to start with the radar, and you can see we have 1 MCS, 2 MCSs, 3, well this one's now pushing well off the coast. So what we're going to be dealing with is a trough that's going to be clipping the region, so watch out for a few scattered showers. Then this area of precipitation is going to really start to organize and expand because we're going to see an area of low pressure developing. So as a result, you're going to see widespread rainfall developing over the Ohio River Valley by this evening as this radar signature expands. So there's a lot of moving dynamics in this weather pattern. When we take a look at the infrared satellite picture, you can see these low pressure systems along the stationary cold front. So here's the low pressure system exiting this morning with the steady rainfall. We have a trough here at the upper levels that's going to swing through New England and clip our region, leading to the threat for scattered showers this afternoon. Again, not a washout, but certainly a nuisance if you have outdoor plans. This low pressure system is going to be the one that's going to intensify, organize, and basically ride along this stationary front. And what we're going to see by tomorrow afternoon is a warm front trying to push through southern New Jersey, an occluded front over the rest of the region, and very heavy rain basically setting up from Philadelphia on north through Connecticut, with the threat for strong to severe thunderstorms basically from just south of Philadelphia through southern New Jersey into Delaware and Maryland. So it's going to be a rather active day with various different moving parts here with the potential for some intense heavy downpours. Overall, I'm looking at anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain region wide. And then we're going to have to watch out for those embedded thunderstorms and some of those mesoscale lifting bands developing over the region that in some model guidance pushes rainfall amounts into the 3 to 4 inch range. I don't think that'll be widespread, but the caveat here is that wherever that heavy rain band sets up, where you get the 3-4 inches of rain, someone's going to basically miss out on a lot of the rain as a result because of sinking air. So where that sets up, I have to watch and see how that evolves, but I could certainly see where one area in the region ends up with just a half an inch of rain, and the other area just to the north ends up with 3 or 4 inches of rain and a real mess. So let's take a look at the latest model guidance from the Penn State UWall website. We're going to use the GFS model guidance this morning. Again, for this morning, our area low pressure is exiting and thus the steady rainfall. Look out for some scattered showers, as we can see right here, developing throughout the region because we have a trough right here driving through the region. Now this trough slows down this upper level low that's developing, so that by tomorrow, the upper level low is forming over the Great Lakes. We have a surface low pressure system in the Ohio River Valley. You have a warm front, a cold front, and an occluded front. And so with these different frontal boundaries and with high pressure setting up over the Canadian Maritimes and the Gulf of Maine, leads to a stiff easterly wind tomorrow with periods of moderate to heavy rain developing, especially in the afternoon and evening hours throughout the region. And that heavy rain could be pretty impressive throughout the region as we move into the evening hours throughout the northern Mid-Atlantic, with waves of heavy rainfall, embedded thunderstorms, and then we're going to have to watch out for the severe thunderstorms over southern New Jersey, depending on just how far north this warm front gets. Okay, so that's a bit of a question mark. Basically, just north of where that warm front sets up, that's where we're going to see tremendous lifting, a strong easterly wind, and some very heavy rainfall as a result. And certainly there's going to be plenty of moisture to work with this storm. So certainly there's a potential here for some rather impressive rainfall evolution here, with flash flooding a significant threat. Now, the rainfall, unfortunately, is going to continue in the form of scattered showers on through Sunday because our upper level low is going to be lifting through with plenty of energy. So while the steady rainfall will be lifting up into New England on Sunday, we'll still be at the threat for scattered showers, especially with some cold air aloft. So Sunday, again, is not looking all that pleasant. Now, as far as temperatures are concerned, for tomorrow, look for low temperatures in the mid-60s, high temperatures in the upper 60s to the north of the warm front, and to the south of the warm front, lower to mid 70s. Again, where that warm front sets up is going to be very key, so we'll have to watch that very carefully. Overall, looking for overcast skies for the most part, thus the limitation in the temperatures. We see some breaks of sun over southern New Jersey. Don't be surprised if temperatures jump up to 80 degrees, and then things get really interesting for the afternoon and evening hours. So we'll watch that very carefully. And then on Sunday, low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s over the New York City metro, upper 60s to lower 70s in the Delaware River Valley for lows, high temperatures generally in the upper 70s to lower 80s throughout the entire northern Mid-Atlantic, which will average pretty much slightly below normal. Now, for the rest of the week, we'll continue to have a trough over the east, and that's going to lead to a series of cold fronts moving through the region for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, with the threat for scattered showers each day. Now, not a washout, but a bit of a nuisance each day with these showers, especially in the afternoon and evening. Temperatures will pretty much stay stagnant. Look for low temperatures on Monday in the lower to mid 60s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and lower to mid 80s in the Delaware River Valley. On Tuesday, look for low temperatures in the mid to upper 60s, high temperatures in the lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid to upper 80s over the Delaware River Valley. And then on Wednesday, low temperatures in the upper 60s to lower 70s, high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, and lower to mid 80s over the Delaware River Valley. So obviously the closer you are to the coast, the more likely you will stay cool. On Thursday and into Friday, high pressure will be in place with a crisp, cool polar air mass, just in time as we move into the 4th of July weekend, with low temperatures in the lower to mid 60s and high temperatures in the upper 70s to lower 80s, roughly 2 or 3 degrees below normal for this time of year, if not a little bit more. We'll watch and see how that evolves as we move into the 4th of July weekend. That is your forecast discussion for today. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Thank you for following NY and JPA weather, and as always, stay safe out there.